In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can clone your voice using ElevenLabs. This is one of the best features ElevenLabs has, and today I'm going to walk you through each step on how you do it. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. Before we get started, keep in mind that you'll need at least the creator plan to access the voice cloning feature on ElevenLabs. So if you haven't already, make sure you've upgraded to that plan to take full advantage of this powerful tool. First, head over to ElevenLabs, and on the left-hand panel, you'll see the Voices section. Click on that, and once you're in this tab, click on the button in the top right corner that says Create or Clone a Voice. After that, you'll see different options for how you want to clone your voice. Right here, you have Instant Voice Clone, which only needs 10 seconds of your voice recording, and then it'll instantly clone your voice. But if you want something more accurate and a true to life clone of your voice, you can upload a minimum of 30 minutes of your voice recording through the professional voice cloning feature. The process for both options is the same. They only differ based on the required duration of your voice recording. So, to show you how easy it really is to clone your voice, let's choose Instant Voice Clone. After selecting it, it'll ask you to upload your 10-second audio voice recording. Then, just tweak the voice information of your cloned voice in order to use your cloned voice. You can go ahead and start using your voice in text-to-speech and other features in ElevenLabs. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. Now you can input any script, and ElevenLabs will generate a voiceover that sounds just like you. Whether you're working on YouTube videos, audiobooks, or podcasts, you can use this cloned voice to narrate your content without having to record each time. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality voiceovers quickly and consistently. Instead of spending hours recording, you can focus on content creation while ElevenLabs takes care of the voice part for you. So if you're ready to start cloning your voice and creating high-quality voiceovers with ease, follow these steps and get started with ElevenLabs today. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.